Hello there, how you doing? Hope you're well. I'm out tonight doing a bit of a stealth camp. Behind me there's a local retail park and I'm doing a bit of a charity event tonight. But I'm building my own stove and I thought I'd show you how to make a stove out of one of these. This is going to be the stove. It's going to be a Hexi stove, that's what the little Hexi tablets are for. And there we have one of those plugs, a drain plug that goes in your sink. Now there are 4 cotter pins in there, I've put those in there for the sake of ease of carrying. But yeah, this is one of those are the attachments that go into the centre piece of this to make a sink drain. But we don't need those. All we need are these 4 pins. And what we're going to do is just put one of these pins through one of those holes there, push it up, there we go, until it kind of locks into place, and then directly opposite do the same again so we get even spacing. Push that up. I got all of these bits and pieces on Amazon, so I'll put some links in the description. And I just thought it was a bit of an alternative to one of those BCB stoves. I did see this done elsewhere online, and I just thought, I wondered if it would work. I wondered if I can make it work. And with me doing this particular camp tonight, I thought it might be a good opportunity to try it out. Right, so that's the last one in. And there you basically got a little stove. 2 or 3 of those in there. You should be able to get some cooking going. Not bad, eh? Simple. Let's get it tried out. Alright, let's get this heated up. That's alright, that'll heat this up. Might not have needed quite so many of those Hexi blocks actually. Well, I have to say that's pretty impressive. That's all heated up. Yeah, not bad, eh? So what do you think of that little stove idea? Not bad, eh? Certainly got this hot enough to be enjoyable, to get a hot meal inside me for tonight. Lovely.